In this lesson, we're going to talk about statement of shareholders' equity. It's the last statement in the financial statement, and with it, we're going to reach the end of the accounting cycles. The statement of shareholders' equity tells us how owners' equity change over a period of time by increasing or decreasing. It helps us understand owner investment in the company, see how profits are retained earning or distributed, and track changes in equity account over time. It starts with the start of period balance from the end of the last year, which is the beginning of this year. We add the new investment, subtract loss from net income or add it if it's profit. Then we see the dividends are drawing and reaching at the end the ending equities. So it's straightforward. The beginning balance, a new investment by owners, the net income, and if there is dividend or drawing from the net income, other change in equity to reach at the end the ending balance. Our beginning balance was 0 because we just start our business. A new investment was 24,000, net income 2,900. We don't have any dividends or drawing. We don't have any other change in equity. That reached the end balance of shareholders equity 26,900. As you see in the balance sheet, if we add owner capital to return earning is 26,900. This amount will be the same as the beginning of the next year. So we're gonna move again and start the accounting cycle from the beginning. As with this, we finish the accounting cycles. Now we're gonna move to a little topic advanced in the accounting. So see you in the next lesson.